Ọlábísí Ẹ̀dújọbí ló ń pèdè lọ́wọ́ lórí ètò yín ètò wa Bisi Ologe Show lórí MITV UHF 43 àti DSTV Channel 255. Ètò tẹ́tí ń wò nípa àwọn òde àríyá lóríṣiríṣi bíi ìgbéyàwó, ọjọ́ ìbí, ìsọmọlórúkọ, àjọ̀dún, ìfilọ́lẹ̀, ìsìnkú àgbà, àwọn ìpolówó ọjà lóríṣiríṣi náà ò gbẹ́yìn o. Aago 8 sí 9 alẹ́ ní gbogbo ọjọ́ ìsinmi lẹ́ẹ̀ máa bá ọmọ yín pàdé láwọn òde àríyá ti ilẹ̀ yìí àtòkè òkun lóríṣiríṣi lórí MITV. Fún ìpolówó ọjà yín ẹ pè sórí 0803 329 1869 àti 0812 158 4400 tàbí sórí ímeèlì wa bisiologe@yahoo.com. Bó sì jẹ́ lórí wẹ́bsáìtì wa www.bisiologeshow.com. Bisi Ologe ló ń pèdè lórí tẹlifíṣàn.
I went to school to study law. I was called to the Nigerian bar 2003. So I was doing acting as a part-time. But I realized that part-time job, which is acting, I don't appreciate it more in any other language than Yoruba. So then I decided that anytime I have the opportunity of, showcasing the beauty of my language, my culture to the world, I will surely do. And that is why Agashikole, King of Thieves, is a dream come true for me. All right. So I feel doing our thing is going to be highly appreciated than us doing any other person's thing. And I think if it is properly done, like we are trying to do with Agashikole and Nikolapo, I think it is going to be highly appreciated globally, just like it is getting the appreciation now. So for me, when we say indigenous, we're talking about the grassroots. The population of our audience, whether we like it or not, is vested in the grassroots. And that is why the indigenous stories will have more appreciation if it is properly done. Now, we've been doing so many films for so many years, but some of us know that they weren't properly done. And that is why they were not appreciated, But I stand to be corrected that if they are properly done, they will get that applause that is, required. So for me, indigenous is the grassroots, the source. And you can never get it wrong if you're coming from the source. As I speak, I'm filming another indigenous project in Oyo Town. We started about 15 days ago. We still have about 30 days to spend on the project. It has to be better than Agashikole. It has to be better. So trust me, you watch out for that. We are not stopping. We're coming big. And for any content creator that you are an African, think more of our indigenous story. Thank you. Okay, so my story wasn't as rosy as Kunle's, Kunle had access to fund, and I funded King of Thieves myself. And putting this story together, and King of Thieves is a fiction. What I actually thought was to pass a message to the government in an indigenous manner. That was what I did. And what I did, because I didn't have the fund, I have little fund, and I jumped on my goodwill. As a Yoruba man, and I'm happy with the success of King of Thieves. Many streamers are talking to us. I can tell you that, like I said in one of my posts like that at a day, you don't come. And I want you all to just believe you don't come and join us to say, yes, we are here. Okay. You can never get it wrong, like I said, on an indigenous story. So for me, scaling the production has to be from the beginning. It used to be very, very difficult, but with the success stories that we've been hearing here and there on Indigenous projects, I think it should be easier now. Thank you.
Excellent.
I'm open to collaboration, but I actually want to see what your profile is. What have you done? Can you do it before I can? Like I said, most of my projects are funded by me, but I still believe that I'm going to make my money if it is done properly. For me and for the young producers that have what it takes, I'm open to collaboration. We can collaborate and see if things can happen. But Kunle is a big man, He can. I ran to him when I wanted to.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.